Hello guys, today I'm with Areli. She's a little bit shy in YouTube videos. So we're gonna do the Play-Doh challenge. So we're gonna tell you what we are making but not each other.
We're gonna tell the camera, but he can't hear.
Yeah, so we're gonna build something and then in the end we say what it is and then the best looking one wins. Okay, I'm gonna tell them. You close your ears.
I am closing my ears.
Okay, I'll do it here. Hey guys, I'm gonna make a dog. Now it's your turn. I'm gonna make a flower. Let me hand it to her. This is my first time. Oh my gosh. I can't even see on this because I didn't look at that. I looked at the camera. Okay, so we'll start. Do we look at that part? 2, 1, start.
Okay. You need to look at your paper. This is mine.
No, we shared.
This is the.
We shared.
Oh, this is gonna.
This is gonna be so hard. You guys heard what I'm making, and it's so hard. I never made this in my life, actually.
I don't think mine is gonna go well. You guys are gonna think it's so easy, but for me it's kind of hard. I know.
This is so.
Do you know what I'm making, anyways?
No, I didn't even hear anything. I was like, is she saying nothing?
We should have had a song in here.
That would be cool. You could put a song on this.
Can you pause it and you could put it back on?
No, it's just. I know what to do.
Yeah.
At the end of the video, we're gonna put a song. So this video will. So when YouTubers see it, they're not just gonna see this what we're saying. They're gonna see some music.
Wait, do they subscribe for your video a lot?
Yeah, pretty much that. If you subscribed in my video, I'm thanking you a lot. And I have to reach my goal to 1,000.
Please give this a thumbs up because he's trying to reach to 1,000.
And if you do that for me, I'll be so proud.
And we'll give you thumbs up if you have videos and you watch his videos.
Yeah, we'll give you thumbs up. Even though we don't know who subscribed.
You might. His cousins do it with them. One of his aunt does it with them. Her name is Fatima Cordova.
You might have seen the drink challenge.
The drink challenge.
Yeah, and it didn't go that good. Ew, was so gross. Probably grosser than Fatima's. Fatima's made me cough. I think I know it.
We're not even showing it how we're making it, but who cares?
Yeah, who cares? I think mine is going.
How many videos do I have on?
I don't know, probably 1,000. That would be crazy. This one still counts for a video. The one that will make. Mine does not stand that good. Well, it's just fun.
Mine is kind of.
It can't stand that good. There you go.
It kind of looks like a sun,
I'm
but it's
pretty
not.
much done now. Just add a little.
It looks like a sun, but it's not a sun. Oh, sorry, I didn't show it in the video. Oh, you fell off. Poor little legs fell off.
I think I know what I'm really making.
What am I making?
I won't tell you until the end of the video.
I think I know. What is that? a.
I'm
that
putting
looks-
polka dots to mine.
That looks like a. That doesn't even look like any animal. Show the
It
video.
it kind of looks like a
Look
cheetah.
at his.